Today, kimchi bacon linguini with a cheese crisp.
Using ingredients you can find everywhere, this dish only needs 12 minutes. I always have kimchi in my fridge. Chop some up into little pieces, then chop up some bacon. Today I've used Canadian bacon or back bacon, but you can use any kind of bacon that you like. If you don't have bacon, minced pork will work, or even minced chicken. Stir fry and add some garlic, then let it fry slowly and gently and release all of those juices. When the bacon is caramelized, then you can add the kimchi. We're creating layers with this dish, and we're going to flavor the pasta water with some light soy sauce, some sesame oil, a little bit of Korean Doenjang, some sake, and some grated apple. Sound familiar? That's because these are the core ingredients for Korean barbecue marinade. Linguini goes in, it's going to soak up all those barbecue marinade flavors to make this more of a complete dish. Kimchi and bacon goes in, a little teaspoon of gochujang, mix it up gently with a little bit of pasta water, and look at that come together so perfectly. But we're not done. Use a non-stick pan and gently fry some cheese. As the cheese melts, a crust will form on the bottom. Gently pour the cheese onto the pasta and then use a spatula to roll the crispy layer on the bottom. Look at this. Melted cheese and kimchi in the same dish is one of Korea's most amazing inventions. I hope you like this dish that's full of texture and flavor. Please help us out by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and we'll continue to work hard to provide you with tasty and easy Asian-inspired dishes.
That's really good. Oh, yeah.